Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the top 5 best dash cams on AliExpress in 2026, featuring ultra-clear 4K recording, triple channel protection, night vision, GPS tracking, Wi-Fi connectivity, and smart voice control features. Whether you want better security for your car, crystal clear footage, or advanced parking surveillance, this list has some of the best dash cams available right now. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's get started. Number 1. 70mm T800E 3-channel dash cam. The 70mm T800E is one of the most advanced dash cams available in 2026. This premium 3-channel dash cam records in front 4K, rear 1080p, and interior 1080p. Giving you complete coverage inside and outside your vehicle. It also features HDR support, GPS tracking, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, voice control, and advanced parking surveillance features. The Sony StarVis sensors deliver impressive daytime and nighttime image quality, while the compact design keeps the setup clean and professional. Tech reviewers have also praised its excellent low-light performance and premium overall quality. Pros: triple channel recording, front 4K video quality, Sony StarVis 2 sensors, Wi-Fi 6 and GPS support, smart voice control features. The 70mm T800E is easily one of the best premium dash cams for drivers who want maximum protection and high-end recording quality. Number 2. Vantrue N4S dash cam. The Vantrue N4S is a powerful 3-channel dash cam designed for complete vehicle protection and excellent night vision performance. It records in 2.7K front resolution along with dual 1440p cameras for interior and rear coverage. The StarVis 2 sensor and HDR technology help capture clear details even in low-light conditions. Its infrared night vision system also makes cabin recording much clearer during nighttime driving. The dashcam includes Wi-Fi, GPS support, waterproof rear camera protection, and 24-hour parking monitoring. Pros: triple camera setup, excellent infrared night vision, StarVis 2 low-light performance, GPS and Wi-Fi support, reliable parking surveillance. The Vantrue N4S is an excellent dash cam for rideshare drivers, family vehicles, and anyone who wants reliable all-around recording coverage. Number 3. WOLFBOX M40 dash cam. The WOLFBOX M40 combines sharp 4K recording with smart driving assistance features and modern connectivity options. This front and rear dash cam system supports voice control, ADAS safety features, built-in GPS, and fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi for smooth file transfers and app control. Its wide-angle camera setup captures more of the road during driving, while the image quality remains clear during both daytime and nighttime driving. Pros: front 4K recording, voice control support, ADAS driving assistance, built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, wide-angle road coverage. The WOLFBOX M40 is a fantastic option for drivers who want advanced features, modern connectivity, and reliable everyday recording performance. Number 4. 70mm Dashcam A810S. The 70mm A810S is a premium dual-channel 4K dashcam designed for high-quality video recording and advanced driving protection. It features HDR support, GPS tracking, ADAS alerts, motion detection, and optional 4G LTE connectivity for remote monitoring and parking surveillance. The Sony StarVis sensor helps improve low-light recording quality, while the compact design makes installation clean and discreet. Experts have also praised the A800 and A810 series for their excellent balance of features and value. The 70mm A810S is one of the best premium 4K dashcams for drivers who want smart safety technology and dependable recording quality. Number 5. WOLFBOX i7 Dashcam. The WOLFBOX i7 is a versatile 3-channel dashcam built for full front, rear, and interior vehicle coverage. It features front 4K recording, GPS tracking, Wi-Fi support, and a wide 170-degree field of view that captures more road details during driving. The WDR image processing technology also improves visibility during bright sunlight and nighttime conditions, helping deliver clearer footage in different environments. Pros: triple camera protection, front 4K recording, wide 170-degree viewing angle, GPS and Wi-Fi support, strong WDR image processing. The WOLFBOX i7 is a solid all-around dash cam with excellent coverage, modern features, and dependable recording performance. So guys, that was our list of the top 5 best dash cams on AliExpress in 2026. Whether you want premium 4K recording, advanced parking surveillance, triple camera protection, or smart driving assistance features, there's a dash cam on this list for every type of driver. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more awesome tech and car gadget videos.